Rakshagan, as you know, is the Masiha, the Savior. You know, and basically it's called the one-man show. The film is themed like that, but it's no one man in the film. We're basically talking about God and how we people, the senders of the God, I mean the messengers of the God, come through and help people out in their difficult situations, being selfless. It was very different from the one in the South, because here I actually faced the camera once saying a dialogue. Because in the South film there wasn't really taking a shot or anything. It was just the people of the film, the crew and the actor and the actress, they just got together and did the puja and got the blessings, and that was it. No, actually, school ke zamane se my Urdu has been very good, and my Hindi has still been okay, but my Urdu has been very good from my school times, and that's what Mahesh Bhatt was telling me. He said, if your Urdu is good, you shouldn't be crying about Hindi. But it's just that I'll have to get back in touch with it, since I think in English. But hopefully I think it'll work out. It's not impossible. Well, I guess there's always a price to pay, but it's not as big a price as most people complain it is, because what I get back in return for it is something I'm very grateful about. So sometimes you feel like, oh my God, did I really have to do all this? Do I really want this and all of it? But you grow out of it when you have good times and you realize, oh no, I don't want to give that up. You know, when I joined the modeling world, everybody said I wasn't a conventional Indian face, and I was not the typically model beautiful face, you know. And then I went to the States after I won, and I modeled for the biggest designers in the States itself, including Donna Karan, Armani. And through it all, I realized that your look is always special, whether it's you, me, or anybody else. The difference is what situation you're in. And you're made for a certain country, you're made for a certain look. And the look is not suited here, but it's suited there. But at the same time, somebody who was not conventionally beautiful was suddenly made Miss Universe, and people thought, oh, she's pretty, she's really pretty, and all of that. But I hadn't changed, I was still the same girl, and I had still the same face. So it's all in the mind, and if hopefully I could change that at that point, maybe someday I'd be able to change what the conventional look of an Indian woman really is. Something very bubbly, very full of life, young kind of a role. Or I'd like to go the extreme and play something very serious, very intense, very not my age. And so I can see myself transform from here to there. But I wouldn't really have much of a fun doing the running around trees kind of roles, because that's not me. And if it's not me, you'll see it on the screen. You'll see that I'm very uncomfortable doing it.